Hey guys, Brian here from Cars in Tilsonburg.
Hey Brian, how you doing?
Finally, it's the shop retard. Finally, we're here with an update on our Malibu project. So I know it's been a while, but you know we've been working on other projects here, and it's been a busy summer. So we're finally getting back to getting the thing going here. So what we've done, this is the frame. We mocked it up in the frame. We've hooked up the headers. We've wired up just to get it running in the frame. The engine builder, who was Crush Our Machine, originally built the engine and they oiled it, pre-oiled it. So it, they're messing in the background here. They pre-oiled it and it's been oiled, and all we're doing here now is we're gonna fire it up in the frame so you can get a sound on it. So as you can see, you know, got the Holley carb installed. It's a 396, for those of you who haven't been watching our videos. It's a 396, it's 1967 396. And we've done it from top to bottom. We put a roller cam in it. The spec cam is, I think, a 375 horse 396. Sooner or later we'll have the full specs on the internet of all the things that we have done to it, MSD ignition and such. We've got the Muncie 4-speed rebuilt and hooked up to it here. So what we're going to do here is, in the frame, we're just going to fire it up to give it a little break in here and see if there's any odd noises or anything here. So here's what we've been waiting for. So there you have it. That's what we've all been waiting for here. So now we're really charged up and we're going to get back to work on this puppy and get the body on it. The body's up at the paint shop right now. Steve Morris is working on it, and she's going to have a shine and be lowered back on. So we'll give you an update sooner or later as soon as we get things rolling again, and like us on Facebook. Thanks for watching.